How to download YouTube videos for offline viewing. This tutorial shows you how to save them to watch later without internet. First, open the YouTube app. Play the video you want to download. After that, tap the download icon below the video. From there, choose your preferred video quality, like low, medium, or high. At this point, tap download to confirm. In the next step, wait for the video to finish downloading. Following this, to watch it later, tap U in the bottom right. Once done, tap Downloads. From here, you'll see a list of all your downloaded videos. At this point, tap any video from the list to play it offline. Keep in mind, not every video can be downloaded, since this depends on the creator's settings and your YouTube Premium status for some content. Finally, downloaded videos expire automatically after a set period, so re-download them if they're no longer playable. And that's it. If this guide helped you download YouTube videos for offline viewing, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.